before we end, ito na nga ang ating tanong mo, mukha mo. So,
God.
last week dito sa Kapamilya Chat, ginawa din ni Dylan ito nga ating tanong mo, mukha mo challenge na talaga nga ng mga grabe yung mga iniwan niyang katanungan. Alright, are you ready talaga? Game ka na, Jazz?
Game, game na.
Alright.
Sige.
Game, first photo. Ito, we have Dongpa.
Kailan tayo magbabagyo?
Kasi for sure may mga napag-usapan ng mga plans,
Yan.
next plans talaga sa get to get. So yun na yung next plan
Yun,
talaga sa.
yeah, magbabagyo. Dadalhin daw nila ako dun eh. Kasi dun yung place nila together. Nag-favorite, one of
Oh.
their favorites. So, kailan tayo
Ayun ang
magbabagyo?
tanong. Kailan magbabagyo talaga? Next, ito naman, for Binsoy.
Mm. Binsoy, ginagawa mo ba um, yung special task mo na lagi nating, yun na, alam na yun ni Binsoy.
Sige, okay, okay.
Oo.
Hanggang doon lang
Ginagawa mo ba yung
tayo. Oo.
special task mo?
And only Binsoy can answer kung ano nga ba yung special task na yun.
And
Totoo.
it's only Binsoy.
Mm-mm. Alright, next, ito naman, we have Jaren.
Oh, Sharon. Ano bang tanong ko kay
Ah,
Jaren? Ano na lang, Jaren. Kasi, sige, si Jaren, um, wala akong tanong. It's just, I can't wait to shop with you. Pero not
wow.
soon. Like, not soon, no?
Mm-mm-mm.
I
No
just can't wait
rush.
to shop.
Ah,
Stylist ko. Half stylist ko din si Jaren eh. So,
totoo. Alam mo, just hindi na ako nagulat yung about Jaren na pagiging stylist, fashionista talaga. Grabe, lahat ng housemate, yan talaga yung sinasabi na when they need a pair of clothes talaga. Si Jaren talaga yung
yeah. And he's very kind na
Mm-mm.
parang go. He's very like, okay, you wear this, you do this. I want you to wear this. Let me style you. Ganon yung trip ni Jared.
Wow!
So he's very kind also. He's very,
Yeah.
wala siyang parang, oh no, these are my clothes. I don't want.
Mm-mm.
Mga ganon. Wala talaga. Kaya sobrang mahal din siya ng lahat ng housemates
Yeah.
because may ganon siya.
Very giving. Next, ito naman. We have JP.
Kamusta yung sugar mo? Sana hindi ka na nagsisweets. And ano bang laman ng wallet mo na lagi mong hinahanap, JP?
Ayun na nga.
Yung wallet talaga ni JP. Kita na niya.
Yun ang mahalaga. Nakita naman na talaga, di ba? Next, ito naman. Kay Colette.
Colette, wow, masyadong seryoso yung ano ko kay Colette. Um, how's your confidence now? Is it
Oh.
100%? Kasi gusto ko talaga na ano din ni Colette na confident siya para mailabas niya talaga yung full
Mm.
potential and wala na siyang doubts. So, how is it, Colette? And hopefully, pag nagkita kami, masagot niya sa akin na it's already 100% at the Jazz.
Galing. Pero ito, Jazz, straight from someone who's really confident, empowered, what's your advice or tips para sa ating mga kapamilya na, alam mo yun, they're not really confident with how they express themselves, ganyan, advice or message?
Siguro kasi for me, it's really important to know yourself, to be parang you have to acknowledge who you
Mhm.
really are, who you truly are. And yun nga, parang kasi, kanwari, when I get body shamed or may mga side comments na ganun, parang hindi naman ako na-affected because sa sarili ko, I'm happy, I'm okay.
Mhm.
Hindi naman ako, like, wala. I always just look at the brighter side of things. Na it
Yeah.
doesn't affect me, unsolicited naman yung mga comments niya. So, it's fine. So, parang, it starts within you, but you also have to surround yourself with the same confident people, but not just that,
Mhm.
people who also uplift you. Yun talaga eh. Because yes, kahit sobrang confident ka, pero pag you're surrounded with negativity din, or they're not also helping you, babaksak ka rin at, at
Totoo.
some point. So, important talaga yung, these people that you're surrounded with, they
Yeah.
also help you and lift you up. Para may labas mo lang yung
Totoo, oo.
confidence mo. So,
Kasi
yeah.
nga naman, totoo yung sabi mo na kahit na gaano ka confident, if lahat ng nasa paligid mo is nega naman or they are trying to pull you down, so hindi pa rin maa-uplift yourself. So it really takes two to tango talaga. So, doon lang tayo sa positivity. Next, ito naman, Kay Rain.
Reina, I miss you. Oh my gosh, do you miss me? Yun
Ay,
lang.
ayun.
Miss me.
Do
But
you miss
sobra.
me?
Kita ko din yung ano ni Rain when I left. So sobrang umiyak din ako. Sobrang
Mm.
sakit sa heart nung nakita ko sila. But kaya thankful ako kay Colette when she said na, huwag na kayong umiyak, you have to be strong. For
Mhm.
Colette, ay Kai and Rain, and even kay Jaren, you have to be strong because that's what Ate Joss would want you to be or to do. So, totoo din. So, yun,
Galing.
na
May
Rain.
mga natutunan talaga sila from you. Ang galing naman nun. No? Next, ito naman, kay Kai.
The same thing. Nami-miss mo lang din ba ako? Because I miss them both
Hindi.
na talaga
Ah,
super. But I hope na both Rain and Kai are also okay inside
mhm.
the house. Yun.
Okay. Next, ito naman. Of course, kay Fiang.
Kay Fiang, question ko. Ano bang question ko kay Fiang? Um, Wala. Ang hirap. Ngayon ko lang na-feel na ang hirap pala na. Siguro for Fiang, kailan tayo mag-girl date?
Ay,
Because parang we mentioned before I left na whatever we built here, let's maintain it and let's have a strong relationship. We talked about
mhm.
na bonding moments na gagawin namin outside. So yun na lang. Kailan tayo magde-date? Hopefully not soon din.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Oo, sa lahat, not soon din.
Mhm.
Pero yun lang, paglalabas sa shop, kailan tayo mag-girl date?
Looking forward definitely si
If
Jazz sa kanilang girl date ni Fiang. But not so soon, mga
not
kapamilya.
so
No?
soon din.
JM.
JM, totoo ba? Yun lang. Yung
Ay,
tanong ko. Totoo ba?
naku. Ano yung totoo ba? Yan na nga, naku, nagwawala ng ating mga kapamilya sa ating comment section. No? Ano nga ba yung totoo ba? And again, mga kapamilya, only JM can answer that question.
Mhm.
Naku, let's put it that way. Next, ito naman, of course, kay Dylan.
Dylan.
Bakit parang napangiti si... Parang iba yung smiley just nabanggit si Dylan. No? Parang...
Hindi, same lang yung smile ko. Grabe, sa
Okay,
lahat.
okay. Siguro ganun lang talaga ka-captivating yung smile ni Jazz. Kaya parang feeling natin may something special talaga. Pero, alright, Jazz, your question for Dylan.
Question ko kay Dylan. Ay, kasi tinanong niya ako, kaya
Hmm.
pa Jazz? Tatanungin ko din siya, kaya mo ba, Dylan?
Ay! Nagkahamunan na po kung kaya. Naku, ano kaya yung kayang yon? Only them can answer these questions. And again, thank you so much, Jazz. That wraps up our Tanong Mo Mukha Mo challenge. Grabe. Na-pressure ka ba? Thank you
Na-pressure
for
ako
being
sa
on.
tanong mo. So, parang, marami akong pwede masagot, pero pag
Mm.
tinanong ako anong tanong ko, parang ay, hindi ko sure.
Nako.
Hindi ko
Pero
sure.
yun na nga. Thank you so much for being a good sport, Jazz, and
You.
for the really insightful conversation with you. I really appreciate. And thank you so much for joining us dito sa Kapamilya Chat. Before we end, Jazz, please, what's your message to all your supporters, shippers, families? Of course, lahat na sumusuporta sa'yo. Go ahead.
So first of all, thank you so much, Jeremiah, for such a really fun interview. It's actually my first, so it's very memorable.
Ah,
Thank you. So to everyone who has been supporting me since day one, or kahit hindi since day one, just the moment that you decided or you chose to
mhm.
support me. Thank you so much. I feel your love. I feel your support talaga. And you're not just, kasi may naread ako, family. But you're not my family. You're really my family. So now my family got bigger and bigger. And let's continue to have that. Let's continue to share positivity to everyone. And yun lang, just spread love and good vibes to all. And I just like to say thank you to Jazz, the Jazz officials, Jazz Nations, Jazz JM, Jazz D, Jazz World, Jazz Daily, and dami to everyone nag-support. Jazz Fiang, even to Jazz Kyrene, to JDJ, and all of them. Thank you talaga for the support. And syempre, I hope that you'll also support your remaining housemates na meron tayo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Hindi natin kalimutan, let's not bring people down, but rather let's uplift everyone because at the end of